Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. Welcome. And by the title, you know what we'll be doing. As you know, I love my twist outs, but there are times it starts to get like this, and I feel like I need to revamp it or restyle it to get back that, you know, look when we first started it off. And if you want to see a video of how I do my twist outs, then go and check it out. I'll probably paste the place card somewhere above the screen, or you can just go and find it in my playlist of videos just to spare me the trouble, if you kindly can do so. Anyways guys, yes, as I always say in my videos, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. That helps your girl a lot. Thank you guys for your continued support, and don't forget to hit that like button, comment, you know, tell me what you think about this video by the time it ends. I always love to hear feedback from you guys, so let's jump straight into the video. And I also want to say I am hoping everyone is doing well so far. Be safe guys. So yeah, on to the video. Let's get this show on the road. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long, like a 10-minute video. That's what I normally go for. I guess my content is so long, so I want to cut it down this time. So I'm just going back in with my Curlala, my Aunt Jackie's Curlala. If if it wasn't for this, I'll probably be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I love this, so I'm gonna go in back with this and just some water. That's it, 2 ingredients guys. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I'm just gonna spray up my hair. If you see me looking in, I'm looking in my mirror. I'm just gonna spray all over. It's leaking, start leaking. Oh well, just want to know that my hair is wet all over, so just gonna do that. Can you guys see the water droplet? Guys, I'm just actually went up the wall on myself. Oh my gosh. So you can see the changes when I actually spray it up. As you can see, the curls are being a bit more defined. I don't know if you guys can see what's going on, but they're starting to look a bit more curly than usual. So this is what you want. Ensure that it's moist. You guys must can see a difference at it. Yeah, gonna just do it a little bit more. Keep on with myself. I can't do this. I can't continue. Alright. So yeah, I think that this is it. You see that? See that flash? Guys, I'm sorry if you're seeing like water lines. You know what caused that already. So I'm just going in now with my Aunt Jackie's Curlala, just working in my hair. Nothing special, just, you know. I was wondering if I should do what's it called again, wash and go, or some type of twist out when they actually like twist your hair like this and just let it out so it's just curly. I was thinking of doing that. Who wants me to do a video of me doing that? I don't know, just a thought. What's up? What did I eat? Oh, pepper chips. Guys, as you can see, the major difference. Like, look at that. It was so like short, shrinkage, I don't know how to describe it. And as soon as I use the water and the Aunt Jackie's curl curly this is. Like, got my curl. So yes guys, this is it. This is how I revamp or repolish. I don't know what you want to call it, but all I know, it looked like I just twist up my hair. I just did something for it to look like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this short little mini vlog series, this little mini hair tutorial. I don't know what to call it though, but thanks for watching, and look out for more videos. I'm trying my best to be consistent, but not just producing any and any content, but make sure that it actually makes sense of what I'm doing. And I also have some videos that I did last year, and I was wondering if I should post them. A few of them me doing baking, you know, my journey, and the other two is me doing an unboxing and a sheet mask review. So if you guys want to see that, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, this is how I revamp or try to make my hair look as new as when I first styled it, when I first did the twist outs. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I should make it to the back. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.